All right, it's time for our next adventure of the day. We did Avalanche Lake this morning, and now we're going to do the Three Falls Trail, which is going to take us to Bering Falls, St. Mary Falls, and Virginia Falls. So once you start the trailhead, you can walk 0.1 miles to get to Sun Point. And this is Sun Point. Gorgeous view of St. Mary Lake. Oh my God. Check out this view. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
This is St. Mary's Lake.
So this is Sun Point, and it's pretty amazing because you get to see all, and I mean all, of St. Mary's Lake. The watercolor is absolutely beautiful. It's peaceful as anything, and my God, these views are amazing.
Wow, just wow. So Sun Point was only 1/10 of a mile from where we parked, and now we're gonna go chase some waterfalls. I think Bering Falls is in 0.6 miles. Here we go. So many flowers. I think we just got to Bering Falls. We just gotta walk over to the front. Here's a look at Bering Falls. There's a chipmunk behind me. We are still trekking to St. Mary's Falls. I think we have less than a mile to go, but I'm not complaining because look at this view right alongside us. So you definitely get amazing views the whole way. It's a little hot right now. I think it's in like the mid 70s, and the sun is right on us, but definitely can't beat these views. We have 0.9 to go to get to St. Mary Falls, and then 1.6 to Virginia Falls. We are getting there slowly but surely. We don't like walking slow. The view from the other side isn't too shabby either. Kind of wish I had my bathing suit so I could cliff jump off this bridge. Check out St. Mary's Falls.
So we just got to St. Mary's Falls, and it did not disappoint at all. have had my bathing suit, I probably would have jumped off that cliff, but
hi, little guy. He just stole something. Everybody's jumping into the water. We're so jealous. Here's a little unnamed waterfall on the way to Virginia Falls, and much less crowded. .2 miles to Virginia Falls. We can hear it, so we must be pretty close.
oh, right there.
And we can see it. Yeah. Definitely the best for last. This is Virginia Falls. We definitely did this in the right order because this is definitely the best waterfall on the Waterfalls trail.
So here we are at Virginia Falls.
There's a breeze coming off the waterfall and that feels so good.
And it's pretty cool. I don't even want to venture a guess how high it is, but probably about 80 feet. And it's pretty amazing. And it empties out to this. And the color of the stone is amazing. Everything here has been amazing.
As you can see, Hulk is looking pretty small for once. This is amazing. Absolutely incredible. One last view of Virginia Falls before we head back. Wow, check out the red rocks in the water. We're pretty excited to see Lake McDonald tomorrow because that is definitely known for its colorful rocks in the water. We're leaving Virginia Falls now and getting ready to hike back to the beginning of the trailhead. It took us about an hour and a half to do Sun Point, Bering Falls, St. Mary's Falls, and Virginia Falls. We definitely stopped to take a lot of pictures and videos. So now we have to head all the way back in the heat. So it was fun. It's gonna be a rough trek back though. We just completed the trail. It was about 6.6 miles. Wow. It was about 6.6 miles to complete all the waterfalls and Sun Point. Roughly about 3 hours. We definitely took a lot of pictures and videos. Definitely bring water. We both ran out of water. So we're very excited to get back to the car and drink some water. On to the next adventure.